got some sweet treats in the studio from Rolling Pin Bakehouse here. They've got recipes and different things to make it seem like you have a homemade pie, but the expert is obviously taking care of it over
Look at that display, too.
It looks so good. We're excited to try that pie.
Yeah, we are. Cheers, buddy.
Hey, cheers.
Yeah, let's sit and chat a little bit.
Let's get into it because we actually have such a jam-packed show.
It is. We're going to have...
We said we got to get right into it right now.
We didn't even mention the stuff that's happening outside in the parking lot later on today.
There's foam. Giant bubbles.
Big old foam party. Yep, and it's going to be great.
There's also someone who can help you with detailing your car if you happen to be, I don't know, someone like me who hasn't done that in the past 5 years or so.
Right.
It's just things that you
just
might
get it
find
detailed,
in it.
So.
And we always like to start every show off
on a good note. So our friend Margie, whom you've seen several times on the show, she likes to follow and go to the restaurants that we have as guests on the show. And earlier, we talked about the Tenderloin Trail that's happening in Hamilton County, honoring, of course, Indiana's signature sandwich.
Oh, yeah.
And Margie visited West Fork Whiskey and sampled their tenderloin. She said it was great and had a wonderful time. And it's just such a delight to get the emails from her family and the pics of her just living her best life.
It makes our day every single time because not only do they watch the show to see all the amazing local businesses, but they've also brightened our day, the entire cruise day, just by being here. So Margie, we love you. We're glad that you're enjoying that Tenderloin Trail.
Yeah. And let's go meet our first guest.
Let's do it.
Let's go do it. Come on.
Okay, we're talking about dessert with Natalie Warner. She's the owner of Rolling Pin Bakehouse. And Natalie, I'm excited you're here. Thank you to Indiana Owned for connecting us.
Yeah.
How you doing today?
Hi, Natalie.
It's great to have you here. Tell us a little bit about your business and what you do.
Okay, so I started out as a roadside stand, so I've been doing that for about 10 years.
Okay.
Sugar cream pie was the #1 seller from day one, most popular. And my husband came up with the idea and said, why don't you come up with a baking mix and people can make it at home? I was like, okay. So I got to work and that took a while to get that perfected, tried a lot of different ingredients, different brands, and so we finally have something that's perfect and it tastes just like what I sell at the roadside stand.
Fantastic.
So you just add, you just add water and whipping cream.
That's it.
And you can cook the filling in the microwave.
How long have you been doing this? I mean, did you grow up in a family that baked a lot?
Yeah, I started baking on my own in like middle school.
Okay.
So
you
my mom my mom actually has a business of her own as well. She does pies. She's the pie lady on 5 in South Whitley, so she sells pies at her roadside stand.
Oh, that's so fun.
Let's talk about some of the pies that you brought here today.
Yeah.
Okay, so we have sugar cream.
Okay.
So that's from this mix.
An Indiana staple.
Yes.
Oh, yeah. Should we try it?
I feel like we need to.
We have to try it.
Yeah. Right, make sure. So grab any one you want there. Then we've got chocolate cream, and I've got a slice of that over here.
Oh, see, I'm going to go for the chocolate.
I'm going over here because the raspberries are calling my name.
Here you go, Rye.
Thank you, Jill.
I'm so excited for this.
Here we go.
So it's super convenient to keep in your pantry. So when you've got guests coming over, grab that and make that, and super easy. Take it up to the lake with you. It makes for a great gift too. So bridal gifts, thank you gifts. If you're gonna go stay with somebody, take that, show up with it, make it while you're there.
Yeah.
Or let them save it and make it later.
That's so fun.
It
Jill, how we doing down there?
Just like homemade.
Yeah.
You can really tell the difference. You can tell the difference when it tastes like that homemade feel.
Yeah.
And that's what this is like.
Yeah.
Tell us a little bit more about why you wanted to do this.
Sugar cream pie, I grew up with that. My mom, this is actually our family secret recipe. My mom came up with this when she was in
recipe. We love it.
When she was in her 20s. She went to the state fair with it, and so everybody has loved my mom's sugar cream pie all growing up. And when I started the business, it was really a way to make money for our family, just kind of looking for something I could do at home. I've got 4 kids. So the roadside stand is perfect, and then we've morphed into this, into selling the baking mixes, and it's been great.
That's so Americana that it started with the roadside stand. The Indiana classic sweet cream pie, and then you've branched out a little bit, and I love how convenient you've made it for people too.
Yeah.
Just to pick up, where can people find these, and where can people find you?
Okay, so these can be ordered on our website at rollingpinbakehouse.com. And we ship within the state of Indiana. The health department in Indiana has some interesting rules about where you can sell things.
I didn't know.
Because I do make this in my home kitchen.
Okay.
So there's some certain rules about that. So I can only ship within Indiana.
All right.
But yeah, go there and you can order from there. And then I do pop-up shops as well.
Great.
And then the roadside stand. If you're local, we're in Roanoke, Indiana, which is a small, cute little shopping town.
Tessa's just taking
the pie.
Okay, all right.
That's how you know it's good. If Tessa comes in and steals
The whole thing.
then it's really, really good. Yeah.
You'll get your pan back, I promise.
Yes.
So Roanoke, where is that
So
by?
Roanoke is just outside of Fort Wayne.
Fort Wayne, okay.
Yeah,
Oh,
it's
that's
a cute little
perfect.
shopping town, lots of shops.
Cool.
Well, I love the
fun
fact
stuff.
that this has been a recipe in your family for all these years.
Yeah.
That you've been selling it, and now you've made it into a mix so everybody can replicate it.
So good.
Even the secret recipe.
Give sugar cream pie to the masses.
Yes, there you go. Go pick yours up, rollingpinbakehouse.com, or you can give Natalie a call right there. Cannot say enough good things about how fantastic this
I
is.
love this.
Super good.
It's so, so good. Thank you for joining
you.
us.
Yeah, thank
we
you
have
so
all
much.
the information right here if you'd like to order that pie. It'd be perfect for your next summer gathering. Thank you.
Thanks,
It's
Natalie.
incredible.
Thank you so much.
Coming up next, we'll get some local dining recommendations from a new friend of the show, Traveling Foodie Guy.
That's right. So we're talking options for date night. We're talking options for family dining. And even if you just want to get a quick bite, run out the door, that's right. Marcus is joining us next. We'll see you soon.
Forgetting